Now that we've done the calculations, let's turn this into something useful, a payslip. It includes all the basic information that your small business will need for payroll purposes. Let's hide these columns and get started. In the first section, you'll find the employee information, like the names, staff ID, tax code, payment method, tax period, NI category, and payment date. I've used a drop-down list for the employee name, payment method, and the tax period. For the staff ID, tax code, and NI category, I've used the if error formula and pulled the data from the staff setup sheet. As you can see, we took the employee John, and the ID comes back as 001. If we choose a different employee, all the other details will change as well. I've used BACS as the payment method. This is the most common payment method, but you can add to this drop-down list if you have more than one payment method. In the second section, we'll look at the employee's earnings. On the left, we have the basic pay, overtime, bonuses, or other pay, and then the gross pay. For the basic pay, we will use the XLOOKUP formula. Please take note of this formula, but it will all be built into this template as well. Now on the right-hand side, we'll find PAYE, NIC employee, pension employee, student loan, and other deductions, and then the total deductions. We will also use the XLOOKUP formula for these fields, as shown here. Only the last part of the formula will change to accommodate for the column we are looking for in the monthly payroll sheet. The total deductions will be calculated automatically as you enter your desired figures or formula. Moving on to the third section, we'll look at the net pay. To calculate this, we will take the gross salary in the sheet and deduct the total deductions. We can compare this amount to the payroll sheet. On the right-hand side of the section, we find the employer cost. We'll use the same formula used in the earnings section. When we calculate the total employee cost, we take the gross pay plus the employer NIC and pension, as shown here. You can compare this to the monthly payroll sheet as well. In the last section of this payslip, we have notes. This is quite useful to add explanations. So in this template, I've added employee pension and student loan reduced net pay. Employer NIC and employer pension are shown for information purposes only and must not be deducted from the employee net pay. Now, if we change the employee name, we can see how everything else changes in this payslip. Remember to get your template for easy payslip calculations below.